Hello and welcome to Math World. Today we're going to talk about adding and subtracting fractions. Now, when we add and subtract a fraction, it's actually pretty easy as long as the denominator is the same. Let's use a different number, like 2/4. 3/4 plus 2/4. Well, as long as the denominator, the bottom number, are the same, as long as these bottom numbers are the same, 4 and 4 are the same, all we have to do is just add the tops. 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer would be 5/4. We add the tops and keep the bottom numbers. They are the same and they stay the same. This works exactly the same way with subtraction. If I had 7/8 minus 5/8, well, as long as the denominators are the same, I just subtract the two top numbers. 7 minus 5 is 2. And my answer is 2/8. 7/8 minus 5/8 is 2/8. This works even if we have positives and negatives as well. If we have -3/5 plus -1/5, we just use our integer rules. Since the denominators are the same, we know that our bottom number is going to be 5. And what's -3 plus -1? -4. It also works when we have different signs. What about -3/5 plus 1/5? Well, the denominators are the same, so again we keep the like denominator as 5, and now let's look at the top two. -3 and 1. Well, we use our integer rules. Those are different signs, so we find the difference. 3 minus 1 is 2. And who wins the battle? Which one is the larger? 3. The negatives win. So my answer will be -2/5. -2/5. So you see, as long as these bottom denominators are the same, it's pretty simple. We're just dealing with the top numbers, almost as if they're regular integers, and we can apply our integer rules. Well, that's it, and I'll see you in class. Now for the game of the week with Paper Cut Games. Today we have Mancala. This is a really old game. It's super classic, but it's really fun. It's a great two-player game. It's easy to take with you, and it's easy to learn, and I play it all the time with my friends. Now, it comes in a lot of different types, but mine is just this wooden board that you open it up, and it has these little chips in it that you can play with. I'll show you what it looks like on the screen here. We have an online version. Now, the game, you have all these little chips that are in cups, and the point is, or the goal is, to try to move the chips one at a time. I'm playing against the computer here, and try to get as many as you can into your end zone here, your little bucket. As you see, the opponent's beating me. They have 4, and I'm trying to just get a couple in. And it's a really fun game. It's an easy game to play, and Mancala, check it out. I think I'm going to lose this game.